Continuing the momentum, we are proud to announce another major dispatch. This time, equipment supplied to our dealer in India, supporting institutional and commercial kitchen requirements. Order details: 1. Boiling pan. Indirect gas, operated with auto tilting. Capacity: 500 liters, 2 units. Designed for large batch cooking with controlled indirect heating, ensuring safe and uniform cooking performance. 2. Bratt Pan. Gas operated with auto tilting. Capacity: 400 liters, 2 units. Ideal for curries, gravies, sautéing, and bulk cooking applications with efficient gas heating and smooth tilting discharge. 3. Round knee operated hand wash, sink. Quantity: 10 units. A hygienic and user-friendly solution designed for hands-free operation, perfect for high-traffic kitchen environments. This supply reflects our commitment to delivering heavy-duty, reliable, and scalable commercial kitchen solutions across India and global markets.